ChitChat English.
Anything new?
Not really. Everything's the same.
Anything else?
No, that's all for now.
Ask me anything.
All right, what's your favorite hobby?
Don't do anything.
Okay, I won't.
I can do anything.
That's a great attitude.
Don't say anything.
I won't say a word.
I can eat anything.
That's good. You're not picky.
I can't say anything.
That's all right. Take your time.
We don't do anything.
Maybe we should start something new.
Eat anything you like.
Thanks, I will.
Can I do anything?
Yes, please help me with this.
Is anything broken?
No, everything seems fine.
Can you see anything?
Yes, I can see it clearly.
Did you see anything?
No, I didn't notice anything.
Do you want anything?
No, I'm good, thanks.
I don't trust anybody.
Why is that?
I didn't talk to anybody.
Is everything all right?
I don't wait for anybody.
You must be very punctual.
Did anybody follow you?
No, I don't think so.
Don't you like anybody?
It's not that, I'm just reserved.
Is anybody on the line?
Yes, I'll pass the call to you.
Don't you trust anybody?
I find it hard to.
I'm not blaming anybody.
I understand.
Was anybody else absent?
Yes, 2 more were absent.
Why didn't anybody tell me?
I'm not sure, maybe they forgot.
I've never cheated anybody.
That's good to hear.
It could happen to anybody.
Yes, it's quite common.
Does anybody have a pencil?
I have one, you can borrow it.
Are you expecting anybody?
No, just waiting for you.
Why won't anybody help me?
Maybe they don't know you need help.
Why would anybody do that?
People can be unpredictable.
Why doesn't anybody answer?
Maybe they're busy or didn't hear you.
Ask anyone.
Sure, I'll do that.
Anyone can do that.
That's true.
Don't call anyone.
All right, I won't.
Don't hurt anyone.
Of course, I won't.
Don't tell anyone.
I promise.
Never tell anyone.
I understand.
Don't trust anyone.
I'll be careful.
I don't see anyone.
Neither do I.
I don't need anyone.
I respect your independence.
I can't trust anyone.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
Is anyone here?
Yes, I'm here.
Can anyone hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you see anyone?
No, I can't.
Did anyone call me?
Not that I know of.
Did anyone hear me?
I did.
Did you see anyone?
No, I didn't.
Did anyone follow you?
No, I don't think so.
If you want to meet me, you have to come here.
If you want to speak English, you have to practice well.
If you want to pass the exam, you have to study well.
If you want to get the job, you have to attend the interview.
I wish I had a bigger house.
That would be nice.
I wish I had a car.
It would make things easier.
I wish I had a laptop.
That would be really useful.
I wish I had an iPhone.
It would be nice for staying connected.
I wish I had a lot of money.
That would solve many problems.
Would you mind moving aside?
Certainly. Let me step aside.
Would you mind waiting for a moment?
Not at all. I can wait.
Would you mind if I sit here?
Go ahead. It's fine with me.
Would you mind opening the door?
Of course. I'll open it for you.
Would you mind if I ask a question?
Sure, go ahead and ask.
Would you mind lending me your bike?
I'm sorry, I can't lend it to you.
Would you mind holding my bag?
Sure, here you go.
Would you mind telling me the address?
Here's the address you need.
Gradually you will learn this.
That's encouraging.
Gradually everything will be fine.
I hope so.
Gradually people are becoming aware.
It's good to see.
Gradually my headache is reducing.
That's a relief.
Gradually I fell in love with her.
How sweet.
May I come in?
Sure, please come in.
May I go?
Yes, you may go.
Can I eat?
Of course, You can eat.
Can I help?
Yes, you can help.
May I ask?
Go ahead, ask away.
It may rain.
Bring an umbrella, just in case.
She may come.
We'll see if she arrives.
You can sit down.
Feel free to take a seat.
He may tell.
He might share the information.
They can go.
They have permission to leave.
What else can we do?
We could consider other options.
How else to say it?
You could phrase it differently.
And how to say?
Here's how you can say it.
Where else to go?
We could explore other places.
When else to do it?
We should find another time.
And when?
Perhaps at a later time.
Why else to stay here?
There might be another reason to stay.
And why stay here?
Here's why we should stay. Who else to come?
We could invite someone else.
Who else should come?
They should join us too.
Whom else to invite?
We should invite others as well.
Who else should be invited?
They should be included in the invitation list.